Hi, this is Fran with Stampendous, and I wanted to feature today the gift card wallet cutting dies. And we came out with them and we packaged it kind of for everyday ideas. And it is certainly a very versatile die set with lots of pieces that work together. And I wanted to show you now in this video how we're bringing it forward into all of our fall and Christmas and holiday ideas as well. So let's take a closer look at a couple other ones that came out at that time. We had the birthday number dies, and we also had the gift occasion die sets. And I just wanted to point out that a lot of our clear sets that were designed to go with it, we put the word gift into the description. So we have birthday gift, grad gift, wedding gift, baby gift. And then the coupons gift is another one that's very versatile and could definitely get worked into your Christmas coupon gift giving. So let's take a look at some of the Halloween ones and let's open them up. So the idea is you have this little wallet that can be decorated on all sides, and when you open it up, it has little slots that will allow you to insert your gift card. And here's another one. And on this one, maybe you put a little baggie with treats in it. And here's another little fall one that's really fun, and you can turn it either direction. And of course, you can use the same design elements and the die cuts to create cards as well. And on the inside, you can use all of these different pieces. And this coupon is a part of the gift set that looks really nice on cards. So here's some other Christmas ones. You see the glitz on there. And again, you can just make it a card, or it can be a gift card holder. You can have things hidden. Oh, there we go. There's a place for the gift card to be underneath this little decorative panel. And you can certainly write any other messages. And this one was an interesting paper that looked more Christmassy on the inside. And here's a fun one. I like the ribbon down here at the bottom. And then this was really fun as well. The coupon was used to die cut just that panel. And again, you can have all of your other decorative elements on the inside, and of course attach ribbons on the end however you like. So in our July catalog, we do show the dies here. Okay, so our samples use the Frightful Gifts for Halloween, some of the Holiday Gift, and the Christmas Gift. And all of these are designed to work together in that long, narrow panel of the card. So for your base die panel, it's going to cut and score what you need out of a 5 by 7 inch area, and that will fit to go through your die cutting easily. So here are a couple of prints that are a nice weight that have pattern on both sides, and that will be very helpful in developing your idea inside and out. Let's cut this one. I've put it at a little bit of an angle, which puts more pressure on those straight edges. Okay, and then you've got a score line here, here, and here, and the tab tucks in just like that. Another tip I want to be sure and share with you is that the detail of this die that says a gift for you, it cuts the best going the long way into the package this way. That seems to apply the most pressure on all the little cuts. And then when you pull it out, all of those little bits are just falling away. And you can see the detail. This piece cuts the shape that will hold the gift card, and this one is needed if you want to insert the gift card. You need just the cut lines that are on this one. So be sure it is turned with the cut side down. Center it, or if you want to shift it more to one end or the other, if you want to put ribbon on that end. And I'm now going to tape these two together and die cut it at a slight angle. So your standard gift card now tucks in to those little notches. The oval gives you the two concentric frame sizes, and the little holes on the end can be used to put in a brad if you want to have a panel that moves. And you also have these little tiny dies of a heart or a double hole, and that will allow you to put ribbon through at one end or the other if you want. So here you can decorate the front panel, use the message or whatever on the inside. A white area would let you write a message, and you have a place for your gift card holder there in the center. And I usually pop this up, and if you put the sticky on these two corners, it will be easier to insert your gift card on that raised layer. Our cutting die borders and our birthday number sets will also work very well with the gift card wallet. The borders are long enough to make a nice band going all the way across, and the numbers would allow you to make a 2020 Christmas dated card as well. So have some fun with creating some very personalized gift card wallets for friends and family.